Hi everyone, it's Valerie. I wanted to do an unboxing video of the iPhone 7 Plus, which I just bought from SimpleMobile. SimpleMobile is a cell phone service similar to Virgin Mobile or Metro PCS, Boost Mobile. It's a prepaid plan, but it's just ran by T-Mobile and goes off the T-Mobile cell phone and satellite towers. So anyways, I bought a phone. This was $399, the iPhone 7 Plus in rose gold. It's brand new, and I got it on the SimpleMobile website, and it came within 2 days. They FedExed it to my house, and it was free shipping. It was very, very quick and prompt, which I appreciated. So let's get into it, I guess. So here's the cell phone. I'll get up close and personal here. I'm taking the wrapping off. I hope the pink's as pretty as it is on the box. On the back they gave me, I think this is a SIM card, but I'm actually already a SimpleMobile user, so for me, I'm not going to be using their brand new SIM card and getting a new phone number. I'm going to be popping in my old SIM card from my old phone and putting it into the new phone and just continuing usage. Super simple. So here we go, unboxing. I took the top off. There's nothing on this side. Let's see. It says designed by Apple in California. Yay for Californians. I don't know exactly what's in here. Just some welcome packet information and Apple stickers, whatever you want to do with those. Here's the phone. It's beautiful. It's actually really shiny too. So there's the phone. It's really large, which I like because at least I'll be able to see and type very well. And yes, it's a rose gold color. It's super pretty. I think it's like a peachy pink almost, but they're calling it rose gold. So it shines. It's pretty matte though. Here's the sticker I'm taking off. Oh, and it goes to the front. So I'll take that off as well. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Cool. It came with the headphones and the little cube, the iPhone cube to charge, USB port. Came with these headphones, which is important because they changed the headphone jack on the iPhone 7, I think was the first one. This is empty now. All right, so here we go. I'm going to turn this on. There we go. It's starting up. Looks good. Yay. It says hello. Okay. Press home. Okay, it's telling me no SIM. So just know that you will need to input a SIM card, English, United States. I'm just setting it up. Quick start. One thing to remember is that the SimpleMobile phones, including all the iPhones, any phone you buy from them, it is a locked phone technically. So you will not be able to use the iPhone or any kind of phone you buy from SimpleMobile on another service unless you have used the iPhone or whatever phone you purchase from them for 12 months actively, which means you have to have been hooked up on a paid plan and purchased a SimpleMobile phone 12 months actively, and then you can go ahead and request your phone to be unlocked from them, which will allow you to use your phone with any service provider out there. So that's something to keep in mind. So here I am, Touch ID to continue. So you can set up Siri with this. So I set everything up, and it's just your basic home screen. Looks good to me. It has all the apps that I need and use. That's the iPhone 7 Plus. This is how big it is in the hand. I think it's a good size. It's not too big, it's not too large. It has the dual cameras that everyone seems to be enamored with. So there's one and there's two, and then you have the flash. So yeah. All right, well, I'm super excited. I got the iPhone 7 Plus. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful to you about SimpleMobile and you learned a little something. And you know that SimpleMobile provides brand new iPhones at a reasonable price. So take care. Have a good one. Thanks.